Hello and welcome to the Insight, a channel for intelligent and curious people like you who are searching for human sexuality in the age of artificial intelligence. And in this channel, we usually try to find the best possible answer to a question. And today's question is, why 0 and 1, two binary numbers, are so important for any kind of adult robots? So, today we are exploring something fundamental yet fascinating, the role of binary numbers 0 and 1 in human and robots. How do zeros and ones power these incredible machines? Let's break it down. But before we proceed, let me tell you one thing. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you have already subscribed, tons of thanks for your support. And secondly, I've started a membership zone for very minimum price, monthly, less than 50 cent. That means half a dollar. You can join and support Wooden Slate. I'm not promising anything spectacular videos or something like that, but still, it will be a great support to me. All right, let's get started. Binary numbers might seem basic, but they are the backbone of all digital computing. And when it comes to humanoid robots, those complex machines that mimic humans or human behaviors, binary is even more crucial. Here is why. Number one, digital logic. First up, digital logic. Binary numbers use just two states, on represented by 1 and off represented by 0. This simple system, from the basics of digital logic gates and or not and so on, these gates perform fundamental operations that control flow, information and instructions flow within a robot system. Now, almost the same thing happens for us mentally. Just think about it. Next, number two is microcontrollers and processors. Let's talk about the brain of the lab robot. It's microcontroller or processor. This is where the magic happens. Why? These processors understand and execute instructions in binary code. They handle everything from processing sensory data to controlling actuators, that means motors, which make the robot move and interact with the environment. Number three, that means, uh, before we go to number three, let me say, without binary code, these processors wouldn't be able to manage the robot's complex behaviors and tasks. Number three, memory storage. Now comes to memory storage. All the data a robot uses, like sensor readings or learned behaviors, all the data are stored in its memory. This memory is organized in binary bits, which are grouped into bytes to represent larger chunks of data. So every piece of information the robot uses is ultimately stored and processed as binary. So this organization allows robots to efficiently store and retrieve the vast amounts of data they need to function properly. Number four is communication. Communication is another key area. Why? Robots often need to exchange information with each other or with external systems. This usually involves sending and receiving binary data. For example, a robot might send sensor data to a central control system or receives commands from a human operator, all in binary form. This ensures that communication is precise and reliable. Number five, artificial intelligence. Finally, let's touch on artificial intelligence. Many humanoid robots use AI to learn and adapt. AI algorithms, I talked about algorithms a little bit in my previous videos, like neural networks, also work with binary data. The ability to represent and manipulate information to binary form is essential for these algorithms to function and improve over time. In essence, binary numbers are the language through which robots understand and interact with the world. That is why zeros and ones are so important. They actually power the machine, power the binary. With the use of help of these binary numbers, they power the humanoid robots. They help robots process information, make decisions, and perform various complex tasks. And that's a wrap for today's deep dive into binary numbers and their role in humanoid robots. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, consider joining us, hit the bell icon for more insightful content, share with your friends. So that is it for today from me. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and stay safe and take care.